of the most versatile tools in the chef-in line. It's one of my personal favorites. It's great for chopping nuts, as we're going to do right now, to herbs, to doing salsa batches, guacamole, I mean, you name it, it does the trick. So you just take some nuts here, just put it inside, take the lid, place it on top, make sure it's locked into place, and then you just turn this, pull a few times, and the amount of pulls that I do is how finely or coarsely chopped the nuts will be. So we'll just do a few more, unlock, and within just a few pulls, look what we've done. So you can actually put it in here for storage if you'd like, or serving. And let's show one other thing we can do. A very popular item that the VeggiChop is great for is onions. So let's just throw a couple in here and see how fast the VeggiChop can whip these into shape. So once again, lock it into place. Just a few pulls on the cord. And how many pulls was that? I wasn't counting, but look at this. Check it out. You could just throw some cilantro in there, tomatoes, you know, a little few spices, whatever you want to do. You could make salsa right there, all in one batch. And if you don't want to use it right now, or you have a little excess, it comes with a handy lid. You just pop on top and just push down, and you're ready to put this in the fridge for later.
When you're busy cooking, preparing woody stemmed herbs like rosemary and thyme can be really tedious. Not when you've got a Zipstrip. This handy little gadget removes herb leaves from their stems in a zip. To use, take your herb and put the base through the hole that is just slightly bigger than the stem. And then pull. The bowl at the bottom catches the herbs and it measures them at the same time. Let's try some thyme. Again, place the base of the herb in the hole that's just slightly bigger than the stem and pull. And you can see how easy it is. When you're done, place the Zipstrip on the top rack of your dishwasher for easy cleaning. But what happens to all of those unused food scraps? Well, composting is a great way to recycle these scraps, and it's so good for the soil in your garden. Compost itself, however, is generally associated with bad smells and ugly trash. Well, at Chefin, we don't believe in ugly. With the new EcoCrock composting bin, doing what's good for outside will make the inside look good too. The compost bin has a white ceramic outer bucket that stays clean and stylish looking on your countertop. There's a cute sprout on the top of the lid to remind you that you're doing what's good for the environment, but the sprout also works as a handle. On the top of the lid, you'll notice vent holes. These holes encourage airflow, and they get these scraps to start to break down into that organic matter. On the bottom of the lid, you have a natural charcoal filter nested inside. The natural charcoal filter helps to absorb any odors that are trying to escape the bin. The filters are replaceable by simply removing this green strap and taking the filter out. The replacements are sold separately, and when you get them home, replacing the filter is as easy as setting it in the lid and replacing the green strap like so. On the inside of the ceramic bin, we have a green inner bin. This bin holds 3 quarts of material, so it's perfect for holding scraps throughout the week. At the end of the week when the bin is full, simply lift with the stainless steel handle, and it's super easy to take outside and dump into my larger compost pile. When I get back in, I can clean the white bucket and the green inner bucket by simply rinsing or wiping down with warm water. And I start again. That's contemporary composting.
The Chef and Bananza banana slicer is great for just a quick snack or for cutting bananas over your bowl of cereal. You could really use your imagination. Simply peel the banana, and then just insert it right in, and you have nice, easy, clean slices that are ready to eat. It's that simple.